The Kodiak Kong tactical flashlight is rechargeable, versatile, and extremely bright. Let's take a hands-on look. Inside the package is the flashlight and a USB-C charging cable. The Kodiak Kong is a large tactical flashlight weighing in at 1.68 pounds. It measures 10.75 inches in length and 2.375 inches in diameter at the head end. It's made of aerospace-grade aluminum and is extremely durable, drop-tested at 1 meter, in addition to an IPX4 weather-resistant rating. The Kong is rechargeable and should be charged fully before first use. Plug the charging cable into a USB power source, such as a wall charger, computer, or power bank. Pull back the port cover and plug in the USB-C connector. A 4-step charging indicator flashes while charging, and all 4 lights turn solid green when charging is complete. A full charge of the 7.4-volt, 5,000 milliamp hour battery takes up to 5.5 hours. You can also give your smartphone a charging boost right from the flashlight. Using your own phone charging cable, plug the full-sized USB plug into the flashlight and the other end into your smartphone. Please be aware that charging your smartphone reduces the overall runtime of the flashlight. The Kodiak Kong features a safety lockout, preventing accidental operation or overheating. Double press the power button to unlock the light. The flashlight auto-locks after 2 minutes of non-use. You may also manually lock the flashlight by double pressing the power button after using it. The Kodiak Kong features 4 brightness modes. Turbo is 18,000 lumens with a 30-second runtime and 807-foot light throw. High brightness is 10,000 lumens with a 2-hour runtime. Medium brightness is 3,300 lumens with a 5-hour runtime. And low brightness is 330 lumens with a whopping 30-hour runtime. The light's color temperature is rated at 5,500 degrees Kelvin. You may adjust the beam diameter by twisting the flashlight's head. With its incredible brightness, enhanced features, comfortable rubberized grip, and rock-solid construction, the Kodiak Kong is suitable for demanding professional use and any situation where dependable bright light is needed.